Good morning. I don't know. I think I'm going to wait a little bit longer. We are cover cropping today. I think today just might be it, because I think we're probably got some more rain moving here sometime soon. Started this field with like 157 acres. Well, this end of this field is definitely muddier than that top end. Must have something to do with that creek back there. I keep having the hopper pressure warning go off in the cab. So we'll see if any of these lids are just need to be shook around and readjusted. Yeah, it's just a touch sticky out here, but with that rain we got maybe coming in tonight and tomorrow, I've just got to chance it. Alrighty, we are full up, so that should get us should get this field done, and we'll be moving over to that field over there. It's actually quite a bit more than that field. It's I think it's over 450 acres over there. Just got a lot of offsets here on the west side of it. Whoa. Almost done. We got 258 acres done. I think it was 269, I think is what this field was. Actually, it's 276 acres. Alrighty, that is a wrap on this field. We're going to head back up there to the truck, to the seed tender, and top this thing off with what's left, and head across the road. This is a big field, 560 acres. So it is roly-poly up and down, full of rocks. Lots of surface drains that catch the water. So the job will be here for a while. Doesn't get much prettier than that. I'm about done here. It's almost 7 o'clock. Only got that much fuel left. I'll be done with this one little section here shortly. Yeah, I'm about done for the night. Alrighty, well that is a wrap for today, boys. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow.